So we're gonna switch the plug from XT90 to what this called?
QS8.
QX8. Big plug. Okay. These soldered from XT90. And we'll do one at a time. So this is the negative. So we put negative. So we apply the solder here. Make sure you got enough solder in there. Right there. Okay. Then now we put enough solder on the wire. Just make sure nice and fresh. Now we have a little bit more solder. Heat the wire and the plug at the same time. So that's it. Okay, then we disconnect the other one. Positive from the XT90. Apply a little bit fresh solder. That will help to melt it a little faster. Because the thick wire that take away lots of heat. All right. Take the ends off. Now it's positive side. Put the wires through the cover. Apply solder here. And apply solder on the wire. So now we're ready. Solder here, heat it up.
Scared. It's only Arden.
You always heat at the wire side and
I had an idea.
Okay, covered. It's done.